In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark to your Google Slides presentation. Adding a watermark can help convey important information about the status of your document, such as labeling it as a draft or marking it as confidential. So let's get started. First things first, open up your Google Slides presentation. Once you're inside, look towards the top toolbar of your screen. You'll want to navigate over to the Insert menu. From the drop-down options that appear, click on Word Art. This will prompt a text box to pop up, ready for you to type in the text you'd like to use as your watermark. It could be something like draft, confidential, or perhaps your company name. After you've typed in your desired text, hit Enter. Just like that, your word art will be created. Now that you have your word art, let's move on to the fun part, styling it to look just right. Select the word art that you just created. We're going to change its color first. In the toolbar, there's a Fill Color icon that looks like a little paint bucket. Click on that and pick a light color, something soft like a light gray, to make sure the watermark remains subtle against your slides. You can even adjust the transparency if you'd like it even fainter. Next, to give it that characteristic watermark look, try rotating the text a bit. Click and drag the small circle at the top of your word art. Rotating it to an angle like 45 degrees often does the trick. And if you're feeling creative, you can adjust the font and size to better match the style of your presentation. With your watermark styled, it's time to duplicate it. Make sure the word art stays selected and then copy it. You can do this by heading to the Edit menu and selecting Copy, or you can make use of shortcut keys. Ctrl+C for Windows users, or CMD+C for those on a Mac. Next, let's switch our view to the Master settings. Go up to the View menu found on the top toolbar. Select Master from the drop-down to open the Master Slide view, which is where you'll edit elements to appear on all slides. Now, in the Master view, click on the main master slide. That's usually the largest slide thumbnail at the top of the left panel. Here, paste your copied word art. Again, you can find that option under Edit Paste, or simply press Ctrl+V on Windows or C and D+V on a Mac. Once pasted, move the watermark to your preferred position on the slide. We have one last crucial step to finish up. With the watermark still selected, right-click on it to bring up a context menu. Hover over Order and choose Send to Back. Doing this ensures your watermark sits behind all other slide content, so it doesn't cover up any important text or images. Finally, exit the master view to return to your regular slides. Usually you can do this by clicking the X in the corner of the master view, or by selecting any regular slide thumbnail. And there you have it. Your watermark is now seamlessly applied across all slides in your presentation.